Hi, welcome to Cloud Tech Bucket. In this video, we're going to show you how can you deploy VM or Access node for virtual machines backup. So in CommVault, we can deploy the Access node in two ways. Option one is online deployment. So for online deployment from here into CommVault console, you can deploy it from here. So from vCenter server configuration, you can go to action from here. You can deploy Linux access node from here. And another option is you can download the VA file and then you can download it. So let's see if we can deploy it from here, which will be online deployment. We'll provide virtual machine name. This will be my virtual machine name and my hypervisor is already selected. And then compute selection. So I have two server, vSphere 1 and vSphere 2. So I took vSphere 1 and the data store is fine. Then I will choose thin provision and VM network is good for me. Click next. Then host name and password for my machine. This password is for access node root credentials. Then server group. If we can create any other group, then it's fine, but I have a group with vCenter server, so I'm placing this VM into there. And here I need to find and then IP configuration. So we will not use DHCP, we will use the static IP address. Then netmask. And the DNS suffix and my DNS server IP. And network route, if you have any route. And here my host name of my CommVault server. Click next. So this is my summary page, seems all good, and click submit. So in this deployment, if you click on users, we can see the progress of this job from this command center. Here we'll get the details, and also if we go to jobs, then from here if you click on view logs, we can get the background logs, which is deeper log for this job process. You will get the details from here. And so at my vCenter console, as you can see, this access node has been deployed and it's already powered on. So let's see into the console. What's going on there? So yeah, in console you can see that it's starting the services and configuring all those things. So after a while, I think we will get updated into the jobs. Okay, so in jobs we can see the uh, access deployment has successfully completed. Okay, now let's get back to our manage sections, then server groups. Here we have these vCenter groups. So under the groups, our access node should be here. Yes, so we can see our access node is here, which is showing us the Oracle Linux 9.5. So this is how we can deploy the access node. So now we can also check that yes, if we can back up our virtual machine by this access node. So let's test it. I have a vCenter server integration done already. So here we have one vCenter server. I'm clicking here under the configuration. As you can see, we have two access nodes on it, CommVault server itself, and then our newly deployed access node. So now we can do one thing. Um, we can edit here, and then we can choose our access node 1, which we deployed right this time. So we'll save it. Okay, so now we have successfully changed the access node from CommVault server to our newly deployed access node. So let's do one thing. Let's have a backup of our test VM. So we have a test group, and under this test group we have one virtual machine. So let's take a backup. I'm clicking backup, then I will take full backup, submit, and then view details. We'll monitor the job progress from here. So the job has been started successfully. If we log into our vCenter, we can see that a virtual machine snapshot already been taken place. So that means the backup has started. So let's wait for a couple of minutes to complete the backup. It's 36%, 69%. Okay, so the job has been completed successfully. If we click on VM list, then we can see which VM has been backed up. So this is the way how you can deploy a VMware access node for CommVault VMware backup. But there is another way, which is a manual way. You can download the OVA file from online, and then you can deploy it from your vCenter server. So in our next video, we will do that. To sync up with us, you can subscribe in this channel. Thank you very much to watch Cloud Tech Bucket. Have a nice time. Bye bye.